Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've opened your laptop one day and noticed an annoying black border or unused space around your screen, don't worry, your display isn't broken. This is actually a common issue, and in this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it in just a few minutes. So stay with me till the end, because one small setting might be the only thing standing between you and a full crisp display. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go down to your search bar at the bottom of your desktop and type Settings. Open the Settings app, and on the left-hand side, click on System. From there, go into Display. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Scale and Layout. Next to Scale, open the drop-down menu and make sure it's set to the recommended value. For most laptops, that's usually around 125%, but it might be different depending on your screen size and resolution. Next, just below that, check Display Resolution. Again, make sure it's set to the recommended resolution. That's the native resolution your laptop screen was built for. Choosing the correct one usually fixes that black border instantly. If the problem's still there, don't worry. There's one more thing to check. Scroll down and click Advanced Display. At the top, make sure your main display is selected. Then click the blue link that says Display Adapter Properties. A new window will pop up. Here, go to the Monitor tab. Inside that tab, look for Screen Refresh Rate. Open the drop-down box and select the highest available refresh rate, whether that's 60 Hz, 120 Hz, 144 Hz, or higher. Click Apply, then OK, and that's it. Once you've done that, your laptop screen should now fill up completely, no more black borders. And there you go, a simple, effective fix that only takes a minute or two. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.